Hey tech enthusiasts, get ready to see some gadgets that are so cool, they'll make you say, wow! These aren't your everyday tools. They're the kind of things that can make your day-to-day life a whole lot. Number 1. Planet Care 2.0. A filter designed to be installed in the drain of washing machines. This innovative device can capture up to 98% of microplastic fibers, even those as small as 10 microns in length. Each filter cartridge is good for about 20 washes, after which it can be returned to the manufacturer for recycling. The basic kit for Planet Care 2.0, which includes 3 cartridges, is available for around $60. Number 2. Slowdance Frame. Stands out as a mesmerizing piece that gives the illusion of objects moving in slow motion. This captivating effect is not just a visual treat, but a conversation starter for any space. The secret behind the Slowdance Frame's slow-motion illusion lies in its use of blinking lights combined with electromagnetic vibration. While it has pheasant feathers to demonstrate its effect, the frame allows for personalization. You can replace the feathers with various items such as flowers or leaves, customizing the elegance to your preference. This creative frame is priced at around $500. Number 3. Butterfly Knife. A versatile gadget designed with a blade that tucks neatly within a 2-part handle. This knife comes with an exclusive design that incorporates magnets, enhancing its uniqueness. It is not only a cutting instrument but also doubles as a restless toy, providing a sense of satisfaction for those who like to keep their hands busy. Additionally, it includes a built-in bottle opener, making it a handy companion for various occasions. This multifaceted knife is available for purchase at $95. Number 4. 3D Maker Pro. Making a significant impact in the world of 3D scanning with its seal and light models. These models have an impressive accuracy of 0.01 millimeters. The scanners are also noted for their compactness, each weighing around 250 grams. For an improved scanning experience, there is an option to purchase a table, ideal for scanning objects up to 100 millimeters in height. The Seal Light model, which includes a cable and charger, is available for around $300. Number 5. Minimus Glass. An augmented reality glasses designed with runners and cyclists in mind. These glasses offer a practical solution by displaying all the necessary information directly in the wearer's line of sight. They provide details such as route maps, distance covered, and calories burned. They feature a battery life of 7 hours on a single charge, invalidating the need for other devices. As an added feature, the glasses can darken in sunlight, providing comfort and visibility in various lighting conditions. These innovative glasses are available for around $250, offering a high-tech yet simple way to stay informed during workouts. Number 6. Window Robot. Used to simplify the window cleaning task, this gadget is both compact and lightweight. Weighing in at less than 2 kilograms and with a compact width of 27 centimeters, it effectively cleans areas up to 20 square meters. Users can choose from 3 automated cleaning modes or control the robot via a smartphone application. With a full battery, the robot can run for approximately 30 minutes, ensuring a thorough clean. This convenient and efficient cleaning companion is available for roughly $250. Number 7. Power Bank by mKaos. Designed as an innovative hybrid gadget that combines the functionality of a power bank with the convenience of a retractable cable, similar to a tape measure. The power bank features a cable that extends up to 71 centimeters, making it highly practical for on-the-go use. It has a charging capacity of 5,000 mAh, which may need to be increased to charge 2 iPhone 15s fully. The device is incredibly lightweight at just 180 grams. This gadget is fascinating for those looking for innovation at an affordable price. It is available at a reasonable price of $50. Number 8. SwissRig Brassen. An accessory that turns your iPhone into a professional-grade camera. Equipped with dual primary features like exceptional audio performance and thumbstick video control. The audio aspect is equipped with a compact condenser microphone, a premium quality cable, and a studio-grade headphone jack, among other components. For video, a 5-axis thumbstick provides careful zoom control within its specialized application. Additionally, this striking red unit includes an integrated battery pack and attaches firmly to your iPhone via MagSafe. The basic kit for the SwissRig Brassen is priced at $1,275. Number 9. ZPin 360. Designed for action photography enthusiasts, it enables your action camera to spin 360 degrees, capturing live from all angles. The design considers aerodynamics to ensure the resulting images are crisp and clear. This device is especially suited for cameras that can film at high frame rates, such as 240 frames per second, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion videos. It also includes a smartphone cover. The ZPin 360 is an affordable tool at approximately $60. Number 10. Alienish Ono Scooter. A multifunctional device resembling a suitcase scooter and a mini workstation. With a full charge, it can travel approximately 18 kilometers, carry a load of up to 100 kilograms, and reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. Despite its multiple capabilities, it maintains a lightweight design at only 13 kilograms. The Alienish Ono is priced at around $650. Number 11. CuteRight Food and Drink Printer. A charming twist to your morning routine by allowing you to personalize your coffee and cookies with special messages or images. This innovative printer is designed to print edible designs on your food and beverages. It is a compact device weighing only 255 grams, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen gadgets. With a single cartridge, you can print an impressive 7,000 images, each measuring 26 x 50 millimeters. The printer offers a selection of 3 ink colors, red, brown, and black, to match your preference or the occasion. Notably, the ink used by CuteRight is tasteless, safe for consumption, and certified by the FDA, ensuring that your edible creations are as safe as they are delightful. The combined cost of the printer and a cartridge is set at $225. Number 12. Mars Planter. Take your gardening into a new era by adopting the space-age hydroponics technique, which allows for growing plants without soil. This method simplifies the process for its users. One simply needs to place the seeds in the pot, add water, and switch on the light module. Moreover, for those with space constraints, the Mars Planter offers a wall-mounted option, making it a versatile addition to any home. This futuristic gardening tool is available to customers for approximately $30. Number 13. HiDock H1. Acting as your personal AI assistant that comes with a suite of varied features. It can transcribe your phone conversations into text, providing a convenient written record of your calls. It is an invaluable tool for meetings, not only recording the discussion but also filtering it into a summary of the main points. The HiDock H1 functions as an intelligent conversational headset, perfect at handling group conversations by identifying and attributing spoken words to the correct person in the text transcript. With these capabilities and more, the HiDock H1 is available for around $150. As we wrap up this innovation showcase, what's your favorite pick from today's lineup? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to get more updates from the world of tech. We will see you in the next one.